Good afternoon, my name is Carolina, and I will be presenting on a person I admire. The person I admire is Michelle Obama. Some background information about Michelle Obama is she was born in Chicago, Illinois. She's married to Barack Obama. She has 2 girls. She was born on January 17, 1964. She is currently 57 years old. She is an attorney and a writer. She was the First Lady of the United States from 2009 through 2017. She was the first African American woman to be a First Lady. Why I personally admire Michelle Obama. She is a huge role model for many women. Michelle is always willing to help others with their health and learning new things. She's always done this out of her heart. She is not paid for doing anything and always volunteers. She is so caring for others and she values her family a lot. She launched and led the activity Let Girls Learn, where she helped young girls around the world get educated. She has done a lot more activities like these. She is somebody I deeply look up to because she has a kind heart in helping others to complete their goals and to advance in life. These are some reasons why I admire Michelle Obama, but there are many more. And here is some of my resource where I found some of my work. Thank you.